Now we have discussed about some features of Mutant Mail. Firstly, we have discussed a single inbox from your domain. You have to lovely interface, but you don't need to log in into our system to reply and receive and send email through your domain email ID. To reply any email, receive or your forward email, example on the Gmail, all you need to do a click or reply and your receipt will get email from your domain email ID. This is the great if you want to keep your allies appreciate and also convince of your current mail provided. Second, complete encryption. Bring your own GPG and open PGP public key and add them per receipt. You can then easily toggle encryption on and off with. Encryption on all the forward messages will be encrypted with your public key. Only you will be able to decrypt them with the correct response private key. This is the great if you are using Gmail or Outbox and wish to prevent any inbox snooping. Control your allies. Attach your domain and use it for email. Example allies and @email.com. Mutant Mail allow you to enable or disable the catch all functional for each of your domain. You can then manage your allies and deactivate and delete any that start receive spam. Additional rules can be created public, especially sender. Mutant Mail recipients. Fourth, if you don't like any allies to do to more than one receipt, you can easily add multiple receipts from your dashboard. Certainly use when you are work email but don't want to miss out email on import allies. Fifth, email ID segregation. If in case you want to segregate your email IDs across your domain, for example, all support at that any domain, should you do one email ID and all legal any domain go to others? It is very easy to implement. Our customers are doing a segregate their operational support email and add and legal emails. API access. Manage your allies, receipt, domain, and additional user names using the Mutant Mail API. In order to use API, you first need to create API access token in your account setting. Anonymity and privacy. We absolutely would to hate our email to be a snooped on, so we have ensured same from our customers. We do not store long and track and any email content. Only this we long size to email without tracking where came and from room. Additional security will be two-factor authenticated and PGP encryption can be used at will. Now price we will discuss. No hidden price. It's 50 IDs, 10 domain, allow 50 receipt email ID, paid plan setting, optional disable detach, additional allies, priority email query, 5 GB monthly bandwidth, view field delivery, and price is only 5.99 cent monthly. It's great now. And some you have question, then you can read here. Everything is here. Click and read many things. Now you can please if you want to buy, then link is below now. Thanks for watching.